Hey guys, Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this Fly More kit for the DJI Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro. For transparency, I did purchase everything you see here with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So this kit here is a add-on if you were to buy just the drone and the remote, whether it be the RC or the RCN1. You got to get a couple extra batteries and a charging hub here. This here will also double up as a power bank, so you can use the included cable here for charging it. You can also use this here in this port here if you want to use this here as a power bank for charging up your cell phones or other USB devices out in the field. You got to get your carrying bag here, some props. So everything fits down inside of the case pretty neatly so that you can have everything with you while you're out in the field. Now, the one thing that's not included that I would recommend if you don't already have is a propeller holder. Trying to get the drone down inside of here without the propellers being bound up is a chore. But with that propeller holder, it makes it real easy to go inside. And, now you got a nice case to carry your drone and keep it protected. So if you guys looking to expand the flight capacity of your Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro, and you want kind of everything included, I highly recommend this kit here. Hope this helps.